My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and I'm going to walk through a 2024 Aviara 32. This boat has a light gray hull side with the black accent. Let's start back here in the transom. There's a nice fold-out swim platform, and then it's powered by Ilmore engines, Ilmore drives. Stepping up on the swim platform, there's a nice boarding ladder, huge space. I do like that the platform goes all the way out to the side of the boat, which makes for easy boarding from either side. The sun pad's kind of unique. Individual spaces that flip up for storage. And you can lay it flat as a nice sun pad, or each seat's on a ratchet system, so you can adjust to sit forward. And when you do that, you can use these bar stools as seating, and they obviously adjust all the way down flush, or you can raise them up. It just makes a nice stadium style seating when you're anchored out swimming or just sitting at the dock. Stepping on board, easy access trash, a little wet bar area. The countertop's full flush. There's wine bottle storage, sink, nice storage space, and then a built-in cooler here. And you also, on this side, have another built-in cooler. And plenty of cup holders, phone chargers throughout the boat. It does have a nice size hardtop, built-in lighting, and there are additional LED lights throughout the whole boat. And things like the lighting, music, everything, the whole boat is controlled by this screen here. You have your engine display, and then your Simrad navigation display. It does have Lenco trim tabs, joystick docking, a nice double wide bolstered helm seat. Entry up to the bow is on the port side. I do like the bow seating up here. It's nice and deep, so you do feel safe when you're up here and the boat is running. And again, plenty of cup holders. There's a filler cushion to fill in this seating section, or you can keep it open for the extra space. Walking back through there, another trash can. And then a ton of space right here in the cockpit, and plenty of seating, and it's all very easy to clean, cool to the touch seating. And again, super comfortable as well. Nice entryway down into the head. Plenty of space to get in and out, and you can actually stand up down here as well. This boat's at our location in Marblehead. Please feel free to reach out to myself or to any of your local SkipperBud's sales representatives to schedule a showing or get additional information.